And you will have seen the announcement made by the World Health Organization yesterday, in which it determined that the surge of Mpox in the Democratic Republic of the Congo and a growing number of countries in Africa constitutes a public health emergency of international concern. WHO is warning also about the potential of this Mpox virus to spread further across countries in Africa and possibly outside the continent. To allow for an immediate scale-up, WHO has released $1.45 million from the WHO Contingency Fund for emergencies. It may need to release more in the coming days. The health agency, however, anticipates an immediate funding requirement of an initial $15 million to support surveillance, preparedness, and response activities, and is working with countries and vaccine manufacturers on potential vaccine donations. The organization appeals to donors to fund the full extent of needs of the Mpox response.
Is there anything the UN is doing for UN headquarters? In other words, I understand you usually follow New York City protocol, but with UNGA coming up, is there any requirement for vaccinations, or are you doing anything? Thanks.
There's no requirement in this country. The countries that are being affected are mostly the ones in Central and Eastern Africa, and you can see the WHO website for more details.